In this video, I'll share with you how to access the Panopto video editor and give an overview of the tools that are available there. First, you can access the Panopto editor from your video library while using any web browser if you have creator access to the video. To open the editor, click on the Edit button below the video title. Alternatively, you can open the editor while watching the video by clicking on the Edit button in the upper right-hand corner. When the editor opens, you'll notice that you now have a timeline along the bottom of the video. This shows you the entire length of the video and also all of the streams that are included with the video. The top bar will show you your primary video and audio. This is what appears in the upper left side of the viewer. In the middle, you will see any secondary video streams if they were included. Secondary streams appear in the right side of the viewer, and they can include screen capture or additional cameras. On the bottom of the timeline, you'll see slides if you recorded with PowerPoint or Keynote. You can click in the timeline to navigate through it. The red line indicates the point in the video that you are viewing. You can expand the timeline using the arrow on the left. You can also zoom in on the timeline by using the magnifying glass at the right. You can trim out sections of your video using the timeline. Hover over the beginning or end of the video and click on the handle that appears. Drag to remove a section of video. Click and drag in the middle to remove a section from there. Now, as long as Preview Cuts During Playback is checked, you can play through your video and preview your changes. In addition to trimming out video sections, there are many other items that you can update in the editor. On the upper left side of the editor, you'll see the video title. Click in the box to change it. In the Contents area, you can update the description for your video, and you can edit or remove table of contents entries. You can also add new entries. In Captions, you can edit captions, remove captions, add new captions, and there are also options for importing automatic captions, uploading caption files, or requesting paid captions. Under Slides, you can change the position of slides or remove slides. You can also upload additional PowerPoint presentations to use with your video. In Quizzes, you can edit your existing quizzes or add additional quizzes. In Cuts, you can see a list of all of the sections that you've trimmed out of your video, and you can edit those trims here instead of in the timeline. In Streams, you can upload additional streams of video or edit the start times of your streams. In addition to these options on the left, there are also a few additional things that you can add and change. You can add a number of items to your video using the Add Content button. You can add additional streams of video, also add clips to your video. This tool allows you to insert another Panopto session into the video that you are currently editing. You can also add a quiz from here, embed a YouTube video inside your Panopto video, or embed a live web page inside of your video. If you are editing a video with multiple primary or secondary streams, you'll also see the Focus tool. The Focus tool allows you to decide which primary or secondary source will appear in the viewer and trims out the other sources of the same type. Just select the tool and then click and drag over the source you'd like to focus on. The other primary or secondary sources will be trimmed out. Finally, you can change the thumbnail that represents your video in the video library. Just click on the icon that looks like 3 dots and choose between using the primary stream, secondary stream, or an uploaded file as your thumbnail. While you are editing, you can use the undo and redo buttons at the top. When you are finished editing, you can either select Apply to make all of your changes visible to viewers, or you can select Revert to not save any of your changes and return the video to the state it was in before you opened the editor. If you select Apply, the video will reprocess, and after that, all your changes should be visible when you view the video. The Panopto editor is non-destructive, so if you want to add any sections of the video back in that you trimmed out, all you have to do is open the video in the editor again. Thanks for watching. For more information on individual editing features, please visit support.panopto.com.